Hi, everybody. I'm Cali Rose, and today we're going to work on the Addams Family Television Theme song. Ooh, we're in the key of C, and we have the magic three chords, the 1, 4, 5, a C, an F, and a G7. That's it. And our right hand is pretty basic. This is a shuffle beat. I'm going 80 beats per minute. And making a C, I'm just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nice and simple. Even simpler, you can just go down, 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 or down, up, down, up. This song is more about the lyrics than anything else. So I'm keeping my right hand pretty basic. Now, we do have some interesting rhythmic embellishments, however, which does add layers of complexity to this simple song. For example, we have choreography. Some of you may be familiar with this melody. We're going da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da-da. Now you notice I'm not playing the ukulele. This is a cappella, thank goodness, because we've got to make a sound. Now, in the song, there's finger snapping, so we can snap with one finger, snap with two fingers. If you're not a snapper, hey, we can clap our hands. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. If you like to tap something, tap the ukulele. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Tap your body, slap your thighs. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Anything that's socially acceptable, go for it, but you got to be in the pocket. So let's figure out where we're doing this snapping business, right? So when I'm trying to figure out what's what and where's where, I use my fingers. So I'm going to turn on my drum machine. I'm going to count it down and watch my fingers. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, da-da-da-da, sh, da-da-da-da, snap, snap, da-da-da-da, snap, snap, da-da-da-da, snap. Okay, so my fingers are giving me the answer. Where am I snapping? I'm snapping on the second and the third beats. Now this could be very confusing and very technical, and I get it. I would suggest you just sing along as many times as you need to get the sense of this melody and these rhythmic embellishments into your body so that you're not really thinking about it, you're just doing it. So let's just do a little bit of that part. The a cappella part. So you ready? 2, 3. Da-da-da-da, snap, snap. Da-da-da-da, snap, snap. Da-da-da-da, snap. Da-da-da-da. It's a little harder than it looks. You can find out. The good news is we're not going to have to balance a beach ball on our head. But there's one more thing we have to take into account here, and that's the last part of the second a cappella, where we actually have to add 3 words: neat, sweet, and petite. Let me show you what's happening. Here it goes. Da-da-da-da, neat, da-da-da-da, sweet, da-da-da-da, 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 petite. Oh my gosh. Where are we inserting those words? Da-da-da-da, sweet, da-da-da-da, neat. Got it reversed. Da-da-da-da, neat, da-da-da-da, sweet. We're doing it on the third beat. But again, if you want to get in and analyze that, that might help you. Otherwise, just sing along and get it into your bones. We have a couple chucks that I added to this arrangement. And I call this thing a mute strum too, because what I'm doing is I'm strumming across the strings and then muting them, silencing them. So this is the way that I do it. There are lots of ways of doing it, Chuck, but this is sort of my lane that works for me. I'm springing my fingers open like this, do you see? Like that. And bringing it down to the ukulele, like so. And I'm making a C with my left hand, and I'm doing that. All 4 fingers. So we're getting a very robust sound, because that's 4 fingers across 4 strings. That's 16 sounds, which is a big deal for an instrument that has only 4 strings. Whoa! And this places my hands exactly where I want it. My hand. How many hands do I have? My hand exactly where I want it, because as soon as I do that flick down, I want to mute the strings, stop them from ringing, and I very gently push in on them to stop them. Like that. It's one continuous movement. It's not this. It's not that. It's like a swoosh. Swish, swish, swish. I think of a drummer, because we're drummers, playing the ukulele, which makes it so fun. And a drummer will do a fill in a song, you know, and then hit that crash, hit that cymbal. It's like a, we've got your attention. We're going to do this technique twice in this song, in the middle and at the very, very end. So we need to identify the starting note for the singer, which is you, and the note that we're going to start off with is G. Da 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 da. This is a little G right here. You can see where my ring finger is. You can also pluck your G string on your ukulele. I play a low G, so there is a difference of an octave here. Da 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 da. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. 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 They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum where people come to see 'em. They really are a scream, the Addams Family. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Neat, da 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 da. Sweet, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Petite, so get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family. Yay! Have a blast with this song, and thanks for watching.